So page 313, question number 2. So in this case, we're trying to find our final velocity. So we know that the sum of the mechanical energies beforehand will equal the sum of the mechanical energies afterwards. Initially, we have kinetic energy and we have gravitational potential energy. Afterwards, we have our kinetic energy final and our gravitational potential energy final. So substituting in values, we have mv initial squared divided by 2 plus mgh initial equals mv final squared divided by 2 plus mgh final. Now the nice thing is, because we have mass in all four terms, m cancels. And when we do that, we get v initial squared divided by 2 plus gh initial equals v final squared divided by 2 plus gh final. So since we're looking for velocity final squared, we have to subtract gh final from the other side, multiply by 2, and square root the whole thing. So writing this out, we're going to have gh final, which we subtract from gh initial, and v squared initial divided by 2. We have to multiply that whole thing by 2 and take the square root of everything, and that will give us our final velocity. So substituting in numbers, our initial velocity is 36 meters per second. So we're going to have 2 bracket 36 squared divided by 2 plus 9.81 times our initial height of 225 meters minus 9.81 times our final height of 115 meters, close brackets, square root the whole thing, is equal to v final. So our v final is equal to square root of 2 times brackets 36 squared divided by 2 plus 9.81 times 225 minus 9.81 times 115, close brackets, enter, and I get 58.7724 etc. meters per second. So v final will equal 58.8 meters per second, and we can't tell the direction from this question. Again, you cannot get directions from scalar values like energy.